Good morning, Peter here on Doxie. Yet not going to Queensland. Sorry, well, not yet anyway. I'm not sure when the next time will be, but there will be a next time. Have no fear of that. Yeah, I've just come out to Doxie, probably the first time since I've put her on the mooring, about whenever that was. Yeah, you lose track of days at Christmas and New Year, so I've got no clue. And it's really not important. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, let's go and have a look at it. Every time I come out, I'll bring out some diesel canisters, just to keep filling the tank. There's not really a ready fuel dock here, so yeah, anyway, it's a hell of a lot cheaper at the gas station, right? As you can see, they pack us in pretty tightly here, but no incidents so far. Yeah, so beautiful, cool mornings, but that sun's got some bite in it because it is, yeah, we're into summer now, so definitely warmer, and yeah, stunning day. I know the temptation is to just, oh, hang it, I'm gonna put the sails up and go for a sail, but no, got things to do. I want to just get some things that are on my mind and on the boat done. Yeah, just to make it feel like, okay, she's more prepared now. So yeah, not a bad day for it. Now, the first order of business is that mystery that's been hounding me since I got back. Where are my keys, man? So, yeah, looking at my trusty app, which I forgot to trust or look at even. That's good. That's why I'm so good at diaries and stuff. It's just like, yeah, put it in there, You never look at it. So what's the point? Okay, down here somewhere, according to my notes, and logic would dictate, yes, I would do something like this. I assumed that whenever I went somewhere, I would take my trusty suitcase with me. I didn't. Right, that was a two-handed job. It's also going to be a two-handed job to unzip it. So here's the moment of truth. And, oh, look at that. Mystery solved. There you go. I don't know why I've got so many keys. The other key ring has a lot less, and I've managed for about a week so far without needing anything else. But anyway, who knows? Anyway, great to have that solved. Okay, so one of the jobs I'd like to tackle today is to try and get this stuck back up, basically. I've got some spray stuff here. So yeah, just reading the instructions. Yeah, no, there's a departure for you. Yeah, let's see how this goes. Okay, as you can see, I've got, use of professional tools here to obviously clamp that in place. So yeah, let's see how that goes. I'll have to leave that because obviously it's not obviously. Yeah, needs 24 hours to cure, but it seems to grab pretty well straight away, so that's nice to know. So anyway, on to next things. Next things, I'll give the fridge a good wipe out with antibacterial stuff, just to make sure it's all clean, dry. It was dried, but yeah, I'll give it another go now that I'm not trying to do 50 million other things. Ah, the day is calling. Oh, such a nice day. No, get back in the boat. All right. Back to it. Tedious method, but yeah, when there's no fuel barrels nearby, every time I come out, I just bring out a couple of these guys. So all good. We're getting there slowly. Okay, boom vang fitting to the mast. Yeah, screws have pulled out basically. The threads on the screws were worn down, so I have ordered new ones, although I'm thinking it may actually be a case of going up a size, but until they arrive I won't know. Meanwhile, I'm just trying to line up the holes, and I've just discovered that this bracket is actually hinged. So I think it's too flat to go around the mast. No. So anyway, got to try and join that all together. Good game. Okay, so I have loosened this off enough that I can actually position it. Yeah, it definitely looks like the bolts have worn away, the threads on the bolts and the in the mast, so I think I need to go up a size basically. Yeah, give that a go. Otherwise maybe I need to look at riveting or something like that, but I'd have to find some equipment. Right, not perfect or great, but I've just lashed it in place for now until we can get some size appropriate bolts for the newly generated holes. Expansion. Yeah, so I've got 2 bolts in there, so it's going to give it some lateral stability, and then obviously lashing to the mast to yeah, do the vertical, I guess. So yeah, let's see how that goes.